Every year, the day after Christmas, hundreds of sailors set sail from famous Sydney Harbour to embark on one of the toughest offshore races in the world. The most expensive yachts, fitted out with space-age technology, will be challenged by an underdog. A smaller, radically designed boat with the potential to outrun them all. But the course is a killer.
It's got to be the worst race. Standing there just getting smashed, going, what am I doing this again for, you know?
It will test every boat to its limit, especially the underdog, which dares to gamble with the most extreme forces of wind and water.